Hey Gonnet.
What want?
Can I hijack your car?
No.
Yes! I hijack her car.
Get back here, you fat idiot.
Get back here right now. Steven is so in dead meat.
Oh no! The cops and Gonnet are chasing me. Shoot. I ate too much food from Taco Bell earlier. Time to break out of the car and find the nearest bathroom. To the bathroom, here I go.
Steven, how dare you hijack Gonnet car and start car chase at it?
To the bathroom, you poopy poopy. Now time for poopy poopy.
Whoa. Steven, how dare you steal my car and start car chase at it? Ground, no TV or dinner billions year.
And no more potty for you.
Wow.